Hey everyone, in today's quick review, we're taking a closer look at ELSA Speak, an AI powered app that helps users improve their English pronunciation and fluency. But is it actually worth your time and money, or is it just another app with flashy promises and sneaky billing? So, disclaimer, this video is based on personal opinion and independent research. I'm not sponsored by ELSA Speak or any competitor. Your experience may differ, so please do your own research before subscribing. According to the official ELSA Speak website, this app uses AI technology to help non-native speakers improve their spoken English. Key features include real-time pronunciation feedback, personalized lesson based on your native language, progress tracking with fluency scores, and lessons created by speech experts. It's currently available on both iOS and Android with millions of users worldwide. Now, here's where things get a little rocky. On Trustpilot, Elsa Speak holds a 2.2 star rating from just 9 reviews, but most of those are strongly negative. One major issue, misleading billing practices. A top review warns, I thought I was starting a 7-day free trial, but they immediately charged me $174 for a full year subscription. No warning, no confirmation. And when I asked for a refund, both Elsa and Apple refused. That's a serious concern, especially for an app targeting students and language learners on a budget. Many reviewers felt blindsided by the auto charge and frustrated with customer experience or customer service. So, is Elsa Speak worth it? The tech behind it seems solid. If you're actively working on your pronunciation, it can help, but only if you're fully aware of the payment terms. The sudden full year billing without clear consent is a major red flag. If you're trying it, double check the subscription details before tapping anything. Thanks for watching. If you've used Elsa Speak, share your experience in the comments and remember, always read the fine print before starting any free trial.